everybody, you know me, I'm Frank Gates, and you know what's been happening recently about that Liverpool Club trying to steal my manager. It ain't happening. Bren Noddle's staying. Worryingly, I got another parcel today. Same type of writing on the front. Doesn't feel squashy, so it's not going to be the dog's testicles again. There's no blood. It's a video. The dog. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is worrying. Oh, there's my dog. Oh, there's my dog. What's he doing? It's a syringe. Oh, my dog. Oh, what's he doing? Oh, God. Oh, no. Stop it, you sick man. Oh, you sick, sick man, Mr Hicks. Oh my God, I can't believe this is happening. He's got my dog. You're a sick man, Mr Hicks. Yes, Ethel. What, Hicks is on the phone? Put him through. Right, Mr Hicks. This has gone far enough. Oh my God, no, I'm not enjoying the video. No, I'm not enjoying the video at all. Oh, you're sick. Oh, you're such a sick man. Oh, you are a sicko. You do that to a dog. You're not getting Noddle. You're not getting Noddle. No. What do you mean I'm next? I'm not scared of you. I am not next. I'm not scared of you, and you're not getting Noddle. Just because you've killed my dog and sent me its balls through the post. Just because you've got me a set pair of testicles in a blood-filled bag. The dog's bollocks. You don't scare me. No, you're not going to cut my testicles off and put them in a bag. Oh God, you are a sicko. I'll be after you, and I will avenge my dog. Just leave Noddle alone. He's not coming to your Liverpool Club. Irene, Ethel, whatever your name is, get me the police. We want this Hicks man sorted. Sick.